In this MuggyWeld.com video, we are brazing thin stainless steel with the SSQ6 silver solder paste and adding a customer testimonial using the SSQ6 on a replica Han Solo DL44 blaster. The 56% silver paste comes in a 1-ounce syringe. This is how you'll see it out of the box. Just twist off the end cap. Keep the cap handy to twist it back on when the syringe is being stored. Store in the refrigerator if possible. And this is where you will find your dispenser, also known as an applicator tip. Push the dispenser in, give the tip a quarter turn, and you're ready to go. The SSQ6 is great for the novice and the pro. It's very easy to use and it gives you all the strength a brazing rod can provide and more. In this video, we're trying to hide the brazing joint. Because the paste is so strong, all we need is a couple dots of paste. It's great for male-female joints. Just coat the male tubing with a thin layer of paste, insert, and bring the metals to a working temperature, and you'll have a stronger joint than a brazing rod, as the rod can only silver solder the end of the tube. We are using the Bernzomatic BZ8250HT propane matte gas torch with the adjustable flame. It can be found at MuggyWeld.com while supplies last. It does not get easier than this. Just heat the parts up to a dull red and you're done. And that is it. Let the project cool naturally for maximum strength. This is an easy way to join stainless to stainless or a variety of other metals. The SSQ6 is rated at over 80,000 psi and works at 1050 Fahrenheit. We have a lip to grab onto to show you the product is the real deal. If you think you may need more strength for your application, just add more SSQ6 silver paste. The SSQ6 paste is popular with gunsmiths across North America. If you want to hide the silver solder, there is no easier way than the SSQ6 paste. Now that you've seen how it bonds on stainless steel, let's see how it worked in a customer testimonial. Scott Juarez emailed MuggyWeld.com photos of his Han Solo DL44 blaster replicas using the SSQ6 paste. On thicker metals or larger mass, oxyacetylene or oxygen MAP gas will get the parts to the working temperature faster, which is important when using the SSQ6. If it takes too long to achieve the 1050 Fahrenheit, the flux and metal particles which makes up the paste can separate. Scott, these are great. Thank you for your testimonial, and everybody go check him out. The SSQ6 has a shelf life of 6 months, a little more when refrigerated. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more MuggyWeld.com videos, and be sure to tell your friends and coworkers to MuggyWeld it.